Hello and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates 11,000 crore rupee highway projects in Delhi. The projects aim to decongest the national capital. ECI rubbishes allegations of voter list manipulation, reaffirms poll body's neutrality. Meghalaya government completes land acquisition process of Shillong airport expansion. Work to begin soon. And Shillong Lajong are into the semi-finals of the Durand Cup after defeating Navy 2-1 in the quarter-final. Let's look at the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated two major national highway projects worth around 11,000 crore rupees in New Delhi. These projects include the Delhi section of the Dwarka Expressway and Urban Extension Road to UER2. These projects have been developed as part of the government's comprehensive plan to decongest the national capital. In his address, the Prime Minister said connectivity across NCR will take a big leap forward with the inauguration of the Delhi section of the Dwarka Expressway and UER2. He said people in Delhi NCR will hugely benefit from this and also save time during their commute.
अब जैसे कनेक्टिविटी का विषय ही है, दिल्ली एनसीआर की कनेक्टिविटी में बीते दशक में अभूतपूर्व सुधार हुआ है। यहां आधुनिक और चौड़े एक्सप्रेसवे हैं। दिल्ली एनसीआर मेट्रो नेटवर्क के मामले में दुनिया के सबसे बड़े नेटवर्क इलाकों में से एक है। यहां नमो भारत जैसा आधुनिक रैपिड रेल सिस्टम है। यानी बीते 11 वर्षों में दिल्ली एनसीआर में आना जाना पहले के मुकाबले आसान हुआ है।
Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar, the two election commissioners and senior officials of the Election Commission of India on Sunday rejected allegations of voter list manipulation and reaffirmed the poll body's neutrality. Addressing the first press conference since the launch of the special intensive revision of the electoral rolls in Bihar, Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar underscored its constitutional mandate and said that every citizen above the age of 18 must not only be registered as a voter but also exercise their right to vote. Rejecting charges of partisanship, he added every political party is born through registration with the Election Commission. If so, how can the Commission discriminate among them? The presser comes amid heightened political tensions over alleged voter list manipulation.
ऐसे मिथ्या आरोपों से न तो चुनाव आयोग डरता है और न ही कोई मतदाता। जब चुनाव आयोग के कंधे पर बंदूक रखकर भारत के मतदाताओं को निशाना बनाकर राजनीति की जा रही हो, तो आज चुनाव आयोग सबको स्पष्ट करना चाहता है कि चुनाव आयोग निडरता के साथ सभी गरीब, अमीर, बुजुर्ग, महिला, युवा सहित सभी वर्गों और सभी मतदाताओं के
The state police are yet to make a breakthrough in the petrol bomb attack case on a private vehicle reportedly used by police near the pasture beat house in Laumali on Friday. Officials claimed that no links to the proscribed Huniotrep National Liberation Council or the HNLC have been established at this stage. Police, however, have yet to make any arrests in connection with the case. The incident occurred around 3:30 a.m. when unidentified miscreants, allegedly riding 3 motorcycles, hurled a petrol bomb at the vehicle. The impact triggered a fire that damaged the vehicle, although the blaze was quickly brought under control, preventing further spread. Police confirmed that no major damage was caused. The long-awaited development and expansion of the Shillong Airport at Umroi has moved a step closer to reality, with the state government confirming the acquisition of land needed to extend the runway from 1,829 metres to 2,400 metres. Construction is set to begin soon. The extension of the runway will allow larger aircraft, such as the Airbus, to land. Recently, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the upgrade will open Shillong and the northeast to greater passenger traffic and air cargo potential, as the extended runway will allow operations of larger, narrow-body and select wide-body aircraft. He acknowledged the inherent difficulties of road building in Meghalaya, where steep terrain and intense rainfall have long undermined construction efforts. Amlarem MLA Lakman Rimboy has expressed his displeasure over the slow progress of the Shillong Dauki road project. Speaking to media persons, Rimboy said that the particular road project has faced many challenges over the last 5 years, pointing out that the working season in Meghalaya is limited due to prolonged monsoons. The MLA, however, said that the implementing agency must expedite the construction of the project for the benefit of the people. It may be mentioned that the road will culminate at Dauki, which falls under the constituency of Lakman Rimboy. The Shillong Dauki road project, which is being funded under JICA, has already missed multiple deadlines owing to delay in land acquisition by the state government.
This is a very long pending. It has been 5 years. And this road project have encountered so many challenges, so many difficulties, but I'm very glad under the able leadership of our Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Prudi, that to some extent that there is a progress. So how to utilize that 5-6 months, it is very, very important. So I urge the implementing agency, the contractor, that as of now, work is not, I'm not very satisfied. I hope that in a few months or next year, we may be able to complete as much as possible.
The Senrai Joai has extended its support to the Mintadu River Saving Group, the Kuit Yakawa Mintadu, and contributed 50,000 rupees to their cause. KYM's legal case is pending before the principal bench of the National Green Tribunal, or the NGT, in New Delhi, which addresses critical issues concerning the Mintadu River. The legal action seeks to safeguard the Siam Mintadu River, a vital waterway that encircles Joai, from severe degradation caused by waste disposal and soil runoff resulting from road construction activities. Prior to the donation, a meeting was convened chaired by SRJ Vice President EMH Pasat. The Seng Samla of Umdihar village in Ribhoi district organized a fish stocking program in Umsao River yesterday as part of its initiative to conserve and sustain aquatic life. The youth body carried out the drive to replenish fish population and ensure the long-term preservation of the river ecosystem. Residents were reminded to refrain from harmful practices such as poisoning or indiscriminate fishing, which will endanger aquatic life. Seng Samla President Marlekin Sinkley stated that the initiative was taken to safeguard river resources and promote the protection of aquatic life.
Ngina jong Seng Samla Shillong Umdihar, ngilabu ke jing mana ba jing maham, gino ki bawan shot do, ki bom, bat ki bajar, ngbu da kafany. Te ngkapat ki barok ki nong Shillong Umdihar, ne ki bana bar najan Shillong, bakin sumbha, banum ya bom, num ya shot do, hang ne kawa hang ne kawa sau. Te ngkapat api barok pa bat nong Shillong, bakin num le umta, bakin ya sumar khut, nile khut ya ne kawa. Kenang bengilak ban penek pensan ye gini gidok bengilak pelat entah kene ka nok pai jong ne sengi.
India's space hero group captain Shubhanshu Shukla received a warm welcome upon his arrival at Delhi's International Airport early this morning. He was warmly received at the airport by Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and ISRO Chairman Dr. V. Narayanan. He piloted NASA's Axiom 4 mission, which launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida on 25th June this year. During the mission, Shukla conducted groundbreaking microgravity experiments aimed at advancing scientific research in space. To provide better opportunities for young people in the field of beauty and wellness, the Accentuate Academy was officially inaugurated at Mairang. This academy will serve as a training center, offering courses in makeup, hairstyling and other beauty-related skills. In her address, BDO of Mairang Block, LR Dr. Hanyutha said the establishment of the academy would open doors for local youth to build their careers in the fast-growing beauty and wellness industry.
Kaya kajing kemen berkejing sorong kebaklaw yang bagi dan nangkat mentaban yakli yakni ka Accentuate kebalang kat kenja training academy. Kani kalong kalimat kabamdei tang banpli kajing khang jaka bantre kabatmai hendrik banpli hang kajing khang sigilat lenti kisab bat kilawai kibakhan panai.
Kajing kwa soka long learning kong he lakwa kan expand masan let play na in last year. Aku akan expand suci Jakarta untuk aku akan ada activity nak berjaga pada jaga yang orang Shillong. Aku go break yang beliau jaga break yang Mairang ni, ayo Jakarta yang Mairang, mission Jakarta kebiang dan normally accessible for key customers bawan untuk istri bawan orang Nehru. Kan tak ada yang terkhuik diberi baran yang Mairang ni, beri tangka jengi kai untuk ya service tu, kalau orang ni bandai abis over, dah orang ni.
Shillong Lajong FC has advanced to the semi-finals of the 134th Durand Cup in a nail-biting match following a 2-1 win over Indian Navy FT in the first leg of the quarterfinals held at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong on Saturday. Shillong Lajong fans were disappointed when Indian Navy FT's Vijay Marandi scored in the 38th minute. However, Damait Panglingdo took Shillong Lajong back in the game with a goal in the 68th minute. In the 80th minute, Everbright Sana, one of Shillong Lajong's top scorers, calmly converted a penalty to give his side a 2-1 lead, which they defended stoutly until the final whistle. And now for a look at the weather. First, let's look at the report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 34 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 78% with rainfall of 8.5 millimeters. In Shillong, the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 28 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 64% while rainfall was measured at 1 millimeter. Meanwhile, in Juwai, the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 29 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 73% while rainfall was measured at 2.4 millimeters. The forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juwai say showers and thunderstorms are likely to occur at most places. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates 11,000 crore rupee highway projects in Delhi. The projects aim to decongest the national capital. ECI rubbishes allegations of voter list manipulation, reaffirms poll body's neutrality. Meghalaya government completes the land acquisition process of the Shillong airport expansion, work to begin soon. And Shillong Lajong are into the semi-finals of the Durand Cup after defeating Navy 2-1 in the quarterfinals. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.